Aun man.
Orayon mo pang sintukan na ikaw.
No problem about me.
Ulitin mo na, English mo.
I talk to Jiden. No problem about
Na Englishan. Daitan an.
Yo.
Lasiyo, kamag-anak na yun. Hindi, sa Pilipinas ito.
You don't get my English. You don't get my English. About me, stop ulang tinigil.
Mayat ah.
Keep talking.
I'm already elder. I'm only becoming senior citizen.
Yeah, that's why. Stop drinking liquor because you are already senior citizen.
Yeah, that's you get.
Sanya nga senior ka ng kan.
Ako talk din din ako talk. That's why. Yeah, that's why I'm stuck drinking. Because the children.
Lasinya. Hindi, kamag-anak ko.
In the sun, cannot understand the father. The children.
Not understand the father.
Maybe they will understand you when you talk in English to them.
I'm talking English because okay. Stop. I told to my child to carry the Carabao.
To go wayway the Carabao.
You talk to your child. Why the Carabao?
Ako ka ngayon. To go the eating the Carabao. The paragraphs.
But he don't like.
But the paragraphs eat the Carabao.
Right?
The paragraphs eating the Carabao. Panalang. Sabay, awan dan. Awanin, video na.
Hello.
Yeah.
Mata ba?
Okay.
Continue, we're listening.
You are listening?
Yes, we are listening.
Where is Rima?
You understand what I mean? And that's the Jiden yung Jin is in Makmak was afraid because they understand what I mean.
What do you mean?
I mean, ay ni kwarto niya. Ni ka panakan. Ang natalaw kami tapos nabukmak ni Gidi niya.
Naging Ilocano ka.
Ano? Okay, okay. I will understand what you say.
Mayat mo dia talaga. Ma-practice.
Okay.
Gaya mag-work.
What you talking about? Okay, say English ka na kung ano ni Gilid. I will answer you.
Stop in English.
Ah, you are the saying English. I will answer English. Kung ano ni Gilid. Okay, okay. Makapagkatawa ito yung Gilid niya. Ah, do you mean, ano? What you saying?
Yo, yo,
here?
yo.
What happened to the Carabao?
Oh, the
Di na parang
Carabao
plastic
is.
ni Carabao?
Wow, okay, okay. The Carabao eating grass.
Hmm.
The cow.
The cow eat the Carabao.
Yun. Yun, eat the Carabao. The cow eat the goat. Joke bang.
Natin nag-iinuman yung kami ng tubig.